So today is the last and final episode of our special mango themed desserts that we made in the month of May. Hi,
Hi,
what's your name?
Disha.
Yes, of course, she's Disha. And she's been a very long time, we've been making all her birthday cakes for her dad. And no marks for guessing what's her favorite flavor, that is
Rasmalai.
Rasmalai. Yes, I actually have her name saved as the Rasmalai customer, okay? So Disha, welcome. Which school do you go to?
Swami Vivekanand International School.
And how old are you?
I'm 13.
Wow, 13, huh? In the teens already, isn't
Yes.
it? So today we are going to do a fudge, okay, a chocolate fudge, and it's going to have mango in it, okay. So I'll just walk the audiences through the ingredients and then we'll get started. Yeah. So we have some white chocolate, okay. We have some condensed milk. Condensed milk is like your Milkmaid that you have, okay. We have some mango puree. Basically, it's like amras that we have got. We've got some milk powder and we've got some pista for garnishing on top. All right. So what we'll start with is we'll melt the white chocolate. Now melting white chocolate is a very tricky thing because if you melt it too much, it's going to burn. So very slowly, just for 20 seconds in the microwave, you melt it and you stir it. So are you ready to make the fudge today, Disha?
Yes.
Alright, let me go melt the chocolate for you and then I'll be back. Yeah. So our white chocolate is melted, Disha. Now
Okay.
always remember whenever we use white chocolate or any kind of chocolate in any dessert or any recipe, it should be brought back to room temperature. So can you stir this first a little bit and just make sure there are no lumps and everything. So Disha, what is your favorite subject in school?
They change every year.
Is it? So what is the latest?
Literature.
Literature. Nice. So generally, people who are in literature, they generally are very creative people. So do you like to draw? And
Yes, I love drawing.
You love drawing, don't you? Yes. Okay, this looks like it's quite ready. It is okay. See, it's completely melted and nice. And we are going to leave it aside to just cool down a little bit because if it's hot, then it's going to give us a little trouble. Okay. Now take the condensed milk in this. Are you a lefty or a righty?
Righty.
Okay. Now, put the whole thing inside. Yeah. So what else do you like to do in your free time?
Maybe talk to my friends.
Yes. Hanging out with your friends. Okay. Yeah. We'll just remove all the condensed milk and put it here. So we've removed the condensed milk in this. In this we are going to add the mango. Okay. So mango puree we'll add in this. Just mix it together. Now to this we will add a milk powder. Okay, so not the whole packet, just half the packet. Okay, now mix it together. Okay, once the mixture is completely dissolved with the milk powder, the condensed milk and the mango puree, then we will add it to the white chocolate. Yeah, you'll have to just keep doing it because the milk powder was a powder and the rest of it was liquid. So it's going to not mix thoroughly. So Disha, what do you want to be when you grow up?
Not decided yet.
But some thoughts, any initial first thoughts?
A lawyer?
Lawyer, nice. And do you like to cook?
No, not really.
Not really. Okay, that's nice. Now it looks like it's mixed together properly. Now we will add this mixture to our little by little into the chocolate mixture. Okay, just half I am adding now. Okay, I'll remove the spoon. Just bring it together. Yeah. Okay, mix it. Just make sure that the white chocolate doesn't split. We have to be careful. Okay, so I'm adding the rest of it also now. So because it's got mango, the white chocolate might sometimes give you some problem. So you have to be careful. Okay, so we've added all that. Now mix it together. See, as you start mixing it, it will become slightly thick. Can you feel it becoming thick?
Yes.
Yes. Because the condensed milk, when it goes into the chocolate, it becomes fudgy. This is how the fudge texture is generally. Yeah. So we just bring it together and make sure that the mango flavor is gone all through it. Okay.
Yes.
Can you see how thick it has become? Completely
Yes.
thick. Yeah. Now, in this you can add mango pieces also. Today I didn't add mango pieces because if you add mango pieces, it will probably leave a little bit of water. So see, it becomes like a paste thing. Can you see how it is? Yeah. So just bring it all together and then pour it into this. Come on. Scoop it all out and just add it into that. Yes, that's it. Now we need to decorate it a little bit, so you can add the pista on top. Yes. So easy, isn't it?
Yes.
Now you'll go back home and do this.
Yes.
We'll add all the pista on top, just like how we add all the pista on our rasmalai, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. And we'll put this inside to set. Once
Okay.
this is set, then we'll cut it into squares and taste it. Okay. So while this is getting set, we're going to have a little rapid fire. Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, Disha, our fudge is setting in the fridge, and now we have to answer some questions. Are you ready?
Yes.
So, chocolate or vanilla?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yes.
And who's your favorite person?
Papa,
Papa. And if you had to make something really special for him, what would you make?
the fudge which I learned to make
You will
today.
make it again for him,
Yes.
isn't it? Okay. And Disha, which has been your most happiest day of your life? Something that you remember?
Maybe the first time I sat in a plane.
You sat in a plane.
Yes.
Oh, nice. And where did you go? What was that adventure? all
I
about?
went to Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu.
Yes.
And what places did you see? Do you know I'm from Tamil Nadu?
No, I didn't know that.
Yeah. So which place did you go?
We visited many temples and
Yeah,
We-
beautiful temples, isn't it, in the
Yes.
south of India? All right. And you just mentioned that you want to be a lawyer.
yes.
Any particular reason why you chose to be a lawyer or something?
No, it just clicked. I saw it on the internet and I decided I want to become.
Okay, so right now that's your idea of becoming a lawyer.
Yes.
So after today's stint with the little fudge making, would you try to make more desserts at home? Try to
Yes.
cook some more or do something?
I will try my best.
You will try your best, isn't
Yes.
it? Did anybody tell you?
About.
Your smile. You have such a sweet smile. I'm so happy
Thank
that you
you.
came today.
Thank you.
All right. So we'll wait for the fudge to set. We'll
Yes.
taste it and see how it is. All right. So Disha, our fudge is already set. I've unmolded it. It's still a
Okay.
little soggy, but that's the fun of fudge. It's fudgy. It's nice and it's creamy. So please do the honors for you to taste.
Okay.
How's it? Really nice? Is
Yes.
it too sweet for you or is it? Do you
No.
get the flavor of the mango in it? Yeah? You
Yes.
enjoyed it? Yes. Alright. So Disha, how would you rate this dessert out of 10?
10 on 10.
10 on 10, isn't it? Awesome. So high five on that. Well done. It has been an honor and a privilege to make your birthday cakes from when you were age 1 till now, till age 30. Thank you for that and thank you for being on the show here. All the best for your 9th and 10th grade and I hope to see you becoming a very successful lawyer one day. Good luck.
Thank you.